Let's get ready to the jumbo. And to the jumbo, Fulgencio. Pass to Victorama. Reference 2 points. Quezon, pull up jump. It's not good. And now Barangan. Guillermo. Low attack is fake. Pass to Barangan. Fake again, go inside, Barana in the layup, not good. Aquino off the glass for 2. Rama. Quezon. Hesitate, pass to Rama again. 5 for 3. It's not good.
Okay.
Quezon. 2 points. Guillermo. What a quick shot in the 3. Guillermo. Offensive rebound. Connected by 2 points. Barangan turn, no hesitate for 3, yes sir. Barangan. And 2 points Barangan. 2 points Domingo. De La Cruz. Aquino. 2 points Aquino. Barangan for the cross move. Step back move, fire, it's not good. And a pass break. Aquino with a nice fake off the glass for 2. David. Barangan.
Lapit Tonte, lapit!
It's a short. Big Mama, 2 points. All 17. And the layup's not good. Baltasar. Banige. David. Victorama. Fire. And boom! And boom! Valdez.
Huli! Huli!
From deep naman. And 2 points. Timeout. Valdez. De Leon. Gagawa ng paraan para makapasok na floor shot. Not good. Aquino ang bola. And now back to De Leon. 10 seconds shoot. Manuel. It's right there. Full space. Again. 5 for 3. Not good. 29 seconds remaining. Victorama. Looking for a play. 5 for 3. Not good. 22 seconds remaining in the first. Nakakabigyan bola sa kanila pa rin. Best go inside. Side step move. De Leon. 2 points. Victorama. Guillermo. 10 seconds to shoot. Guillermo. What a long shot. 3. Now Baligan. Pass to Tawang. Baltasar. Valdez. De La Cruz. la Cruz. Off the glass, 2 points.
Nice one, Ar. Nice one.
Baniged. What a nice pass. Foul time in the air. Looking for a counter attack off the glass, not good. Baniged on the ball. Big Rama. Di diskarte off the glass. Big Rama. Big Rama, 10 seconds to shoot.
Open.
Big Rama nakalusot. Off the glass for 2. Fulgencio. On the ball, gusto mo pakatawid. Fulgencio laban kay Aquino. Off the glass. Offensive foul. Foul of referee. Big Rama. Big Rama going
Happy
side.
viewing.
Nagawa ng paraan.
Pass. Counted.
Nice D, Ar.
Now De La Cruz.
Nice D. Nice D.
Guillermo.
Wala na.
Fire.
Nice one, CJ. Ito lang.
A nice pass. Quezon. Guillermo. Look at the set play. Again.
Eh, wala na.
Foul for 3. And 3. Guillermo. Barangan. Abra ang bola. Agad kay Big Rama. Big Rama. Pula ace layup. Agad 2. Baniged. Bawang. Out of glass. 2 points. Pasok ang pangalawa.
Center forward.
Baniged go inside.
Oy, ganda. Oy!
Barangan 5 for 3. Yes sir. 3. Baniged. Victor Rama. Didiskarte. Pero wild shot. Pero kayang-kaya. Mananaysay for the cross move. Pasa kay Barangan. Pull up jump. Yes sir. 3. Victor Rama. For the ankle breaker. Victor Rama. 3. Guillermo. Referee's call.
Oh, Valdez.
And now Victor
Shout out
Rama.
sa'yo, Chris Michael.
Again, 5 for 3. Step back move and a quick shot for 3. Is that good?
Pa-share po na live.
And now Victor Rama. Again, what a long shot. Naayunan.
Oh, magandang gabi po sa mga aakyat po ng Baguio.
Barangan.
Yung mga aakyat po ng Baguio, baka wala pa kayong alam na Transit
Guillermo, ano
House.
pa siya? 2 points.
Punta lang po sa kay Sir Jerry Joy, Transient Home. Sila, Sir Jerry Joy.
Victor Rama, Baniged. Wide open.
Huwag kayo dyan! Wala akong makita!
Barangan for the move.
Oy, ganda!
Barangan time.
Maliit lang, oh. 10 lang.
Victor Rama. Not good at the time.
Parangan.
Hey, Bon, baba!
Guillermo.
Bon! Go, go, go!
Quezon. And the last good. 10 seconds to shoot. Domingo.
Gandang pa.
Bawang. 10 seconds to shoot.
Ganda na naman!
90 points, Quezon. At patuloy ang pagkabante ng lamang ng West. 47 seconds remaining.
Nice!
Intercept.
Magandang depensa. Magandang depensa.
Dahan-dahan lang, dahan-dahan!
Palden.
Aba. Oh, alis kayo dyan. Alis kayo dyan.
good. 8
Oy!
seconds. And 2 points. Round. Fulgencio.
Ayun.
David.
Kuha mo. Nice one. Wala. Huli. Nice one. Bigay. Nice.
Domingo.
Nice one.
Wala isa.
Samuel.
Barangan. Guillermo. Pass to Barangan. In the layup. Not good.
Alas.
Tutok na yun, pero mawawalan pa. Dick Rama. Domingo. Guillermo. Rais layup.
Ay, ano ba yun? Bati, sure pass!
Kaya tataranta na yung bata ako.
Fulgencio. 8 seconds to shoot. Pass break from Guillermo.
Walang dito!
Gandang bukod para kay Guillermo. David.
Okay, Lodi, galawan mo yan, galawan mo!
Fulgencio. Same ball, substitution. Acrobatic shot by Guillermo. Carga 2.
Yun!
And 3. Barangan.
Uy!
Saba, yan na!
Baligid. Guillermo. Fulgencio for a big rebound. Victor Rama. Baligid. Wala tira yun. Guillermo. And 3 points, Guillermo. Barangan. Guillermo. And a floater shot off the glass for 2. Not good again, Victorama. And 3.
Buenas, buenas.
Baligid.
Atay!
And 3.
Layo.
Guillermo. 3 points.
Sino? Sabihin mo. Nakatalikod eh.
Shoutout sa'yo pa. Love you.
Victorama.
Galing!
Look down to the front line. 2 points.
Ikaw na lang, Idol!
Gandang ayos doon para kay Barangan. Baligid. Bawang puto.
Kanan si Bugi ay.
Barangan again. Struggling the defense of West. Guillermo. Barangan 10 seconds to shoot. Baligid. Look jump. Short.
Galing!
Gandang dukot para kay Quezon. Guillermo. Marawain pass. Sila Cruz. In the layup.
Nice,
Short.
nice.
2 points.
Bu, kumpiyansa lang, Bu!
David.
Tira.
Baligid. No good. David. 2 points.
Bigay!
Victorama. What a nice pass. 2 points para kay Quezon. Baligid. the ball. Victorama off the glass for 2.
Sino si? Lesson po.
Paligid. Get a fake. Quezon. Bilyon. Murahan, one hand shot. Bilyon.
91-75 po. Lamang yung Poblacion West.
De La Cruz. 8 seconds shoot.
Patay.
Guillermo, 3.
Gigain!
Victorama. Off the glass. Not good.
Huli!
Guillermo. 2 points. No Barangay. Go inside. In the layup. Not good. Vergara. Fulgencio with the ball. And 2 points. Fulgencio.
Go!
Marco, galaw konti, galaw. Timing ang galaw, timing. Yeah, hawa ka
Baligan.
dyan.
Use the clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Domingo.
Baba na, wala sundot!
Guillermo. De La Cruz. A super layup. It's not good.
Huwag kayo magmadali.
Gumagamit ka ng oras.
10 seconds to shoot. And 2 points for Mexico. Guillermo on the ball. Find the side of play. De La Cruz for the fadeaway shot.
Ang lakas nun.
Off the glass, but not good. Guillermo, 8 seconds to shoot. Get a wide shot. Fulgencio for the rebound. And 2 points. Timeout. De La Cruz. Barangay. And 2 points Barangay. And 2 points. Domingo, 2 points. Barangay the ball. Under 7 minutes remaining. Vergara. Victorama.
Tinatamad na sila, narinig nila awarding eh. Bang! Nice!
Guillermo. Vergara struggling defense by West, and now Victorama on the ball.
Ilan timeout nila doon?
Balikan.
Isa na lang.
What a nice pass off the glass for 2.
Hindi ayaw yung nakaraan nyo. Sidra kalaban. May sidra pala.
Lakas.
Victorama. Domingo. Eto na. Mr. Hart. Off the glass for 2. Mr. Hart. And nice save. Victorama for 2. Aquino, 2 points. Fulgencio. Drama. Using the clock advantage. Ito na, Mr. Hart. Mr. Hart! Ala. Barangan. Fulgencio. Big Drama. Banikid. Air ball.
4 minutes.
8 seconds to shoot. Guillermo. And the 2 points. Ang nalapis sa labang ito. Banikid. David pasok Fulgencio.
Shout out Sir Rufino Bernardo
Banikid.
Gonzalez.
Fulgencio.
Ligayang panunood po dito sa Paliga.
10 seconds to shoot. Big Drama, 8 seconds to shoot.
Barangay Bantog.
5 seconds to shoot. Banikid. Domingo.
Mahaba pa.
Ikaw may awarding pa. Huwag na pauwi. Banikid. Padagdag pa yun.
Bu, tira, bu. Tira. Haba ng kamay eh.
Barangan. This Rayams good.
Last 2 minutes.
Big Drama.
1:14.93.
Use the clock advantage.
Hindi na nila inilaban.
10 seconds to shoot. Last 2 minutes.
Milinis pa.
Banikid for the rebound.
Wala pa.
Seconds to shoot. And a winner. And our champion for under 18 category, none other than goes to the Beast Bowlers. Okay, wala pong uwi. Lahat po ng mga team.